Hello students, how are you all? Today I have brought for you one most of the hot question from trigonometry chapter, which is very important for CBSE 2026. So let's see what is the question. The question is, students, sin theta, if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3, then prove that tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. Students, here given sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. So if you square on both sides, students, what will get? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to root 3 whole square. So we know a plus b whole square, students. It will become sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to root 3 whole square is equal to 3. Students, here you know that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 3. Okay, students, here you got 1 plus 2 sin theta is into cos theta is equal to 3. So 2 sin theta into cos theta, you will get what, student? 3 minus 1. Okay, so it will become 2. So here, students, 2 is multiplied in the left hand side. Whenever you transpose it, it will divide. So sin theta into cos theta is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1. So you can transpose this again, students, but you will get 1 is equal to 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so you can alternate the side, students. That is 1 by sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1. So this, students, 1 you can write it as sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Students, here you can write it as sin square theta will divided by sin theta into cos theta plus again cos square theta whole divided by sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Here, students, sin square theta and one sin will be get cancel out, only it will be left sin theta by cos theta plus here also 1 cos theta will be cancelled, it will be left cos theta by sin theta. Okay, this is equal to 1. You know, students, sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta plus cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta is equal to 1. So this is the correct answer and which is proved. Okay, it was asked to find out. Okay, students, to solve such type of question more and more easiest way, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can upload more and more such type videos. If you have any doubt, then you can comment one in my comment box so that I can clear the doubt. Okay, thank you, have a nice day ahead.